Good morning, students. I am Vishal Sharvastav, your mathematics teacher, and today I am going to tell you about trigonometry. I am starting from very starting trigonometry. So I have written a word trigonometry here. Before knowing anything about trigonometry, first of all we will understand what this word is. What is the meaning of this word? And I call it etymology. It is called etymology or literal meaning of this word. So first of all we will understand the literal meaning of this word. And this is a composite English word. Actually in English there are many words, and some words are root words and some words we call them composite words. As in Hindi you must have read about samas in the same way. It is a composite word. It is made up of three different Greek words: tri, gon and metron. These are three Greek words. Actually, English it is an international language, and many words are derived from Greek, French, even Arabian words are there. So, Greek words. These three are Greek words, and in English, the meaning of tri is three. For example, we see in tricycle, tricolor, even in triangle, tri means three. Gon means side. As we see in polygon, octagon, pentagon. So gon means side, and metron means to measure or measurement. To measure or measurement. As a noun we can write measurement, or to measure as a verb. So measurement. For example, we see in thermometer, thermos means heat, and again metron means measurement, an instrument which is used to measure the temperature. Anemometer, lactometer, even meter, the unit of length, it is also derived from this Greek root word. Metron means measurement. So if we see the etymology of this word, etymology, also in simple words we can say literal meaning. Literal meaning of this word is three-side measurement. Trigonometry means three-side measurement. Three side. In which geometrical figure we find three sides? Of course we know it is a triangle. If you see a triangle, and according to me there are 9 components. There are 3 vertices, 3 angles and 3 sides, as you see in the figure. A, B, B, C and C are sides. It is vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and it is angle A, angle B and angle C. So it is the etymology of this word, three-side measurement. Three-side means triangle measurement. Triangle measurement, or we can say trigon measurement. Trigon and triangle both are same thing. In Hindi, triangle means trikon and trigon, tribhuj it is called. So it is etymology of this word. And if we see the real meaning or broad meaning of this word, what is the real meaning So trigonometry, as we have just seen, it is something related to three-side measurement, or we can say it is trigon measurement, triangle measurement. But in triangle we find three sides and three angles. So the real meaning is trigonometry is the branch of mathematics. मैथमेटिक्स की ब्रांच है, ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स विच डील्स, किसको डील करती है, विच डील्स विद मेजरमेंट ऑफ थ्री साइड्स एंड three angles of a triangle and their correlationship and their, ये भी लिखना जरूरी है, and their correlationship later on we will know in a triangle angles are related with sides and sides are related with angles. So their correlationship, how they are related with each other, how angles and sides of a triangle are related to each other. So this is the full meaning, real meaning. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics, mathematics की branch है, which deals with the measurement of three sides and three angles. Three sides and three angles का measurement हम पढ़ते हैं, and also we know their correlationship, how they are related to each other. If we know side, we can find angles, and if we know angles, we can find sides. This is all about just a very simple introduction of this word. From where this word has been derived, this thing I have told you, and what is the etymology, means literal meaning of this word, and what is the real meaning of this word. Only we have known this thing in this video, and later on we will discuss other things, trigonometric identities and ratios. Thank you very much for listening.